Hello everyone. Well, I want to start talking about temperatures because man, could we use a warm-up, and unfortunately it's not going to happen today. Temperatures are looking about the same as yesterday. Take a look at high temperatures this afternoon. In general, cooler to the east and warmer to the west. Those chilly lake waters keeping temperatures down in the eastern part of the state. Only a high of 42, Sheboygan, 44 in Kenosha. Now go a little bit farther to the west and we get some 47s, Madison and Portage. And then farther to the west, maybe hitting 50 degrees in La Crosse, 49 in Chippewa Falls. Unfortunately, probably not going to feel this warm. Still talking about a wind chill factor. We'll call it breezy in the southern part of the state, gusts around 25 miles per hour, but I think those gusts get up to about 30 miles per hour in the northern part of the state. So even if you're in Chippewa Falls, gusts around 30 miles per hour, it's probably only going to be feeling like the low 40s outside. Now tonight, notice that temperatures don't drop that much. A couple reasons why. One, the air mass is moderating, not as cold, and the other thing, a lot of clouds around, so that's going to keep our temperatures from dropping that much. In fact, these temperatures are normal, if not a little above normal, for this time of year. And we get improvement finally tomorrow. Notice still in general cooler to the east and warmer to the west, but everybody's seeing improvement. In fact, I think a lot of us are going to be reaching the low 60s. We'll call it breezy for everyone tomorrow. I think the winds are going to be about the same in southern Wisconsin, but they'll come down just a little bit in the northern part of the state. In general, we're looking at gusts around 25 miles per hour, no matter where you are, particularly in the afternoon. Now, will we dry out? Because then we could really enjoy these temperatures in the 60s, right? Well, that's not going to be the case. We're still going to be dealing with some rain. Let's start with this morning, 8 a.m. I still want to mention the chance for a rain-snow mix across southern Wisconsin this morning. Notice there are gaps. It's not a guarantee you're going to encounter a rain or a few snowflakes, but it is a possibility from La Crosse down towards the Racine-Kenosha area. Some isolated rain and snow showers. I will say this is probably going to be the wettest part of the day. And again, not real wet, but look what happens as we get into the early afternoon. Notice how we're drying out. That said, I do want to mention that if you're in the northern part of the state, it's the opposite. I think the wettest part of the day is going to be the late afternoon. But notice how most of southern Wisconsin looking dry in the late afternoon. But notice the scattered rain shower activity. I do think warm enough at this point, we're not worried about that rain-snow mix anymore. And then I have to mention that for southern Wisconsin, we don't stay dry for long. Look how showers return during the evening hours. This is 10 o'clock, and really seeing scattered shower activity from north to south across the state. That said, I think a better chance of rain during the evening and overnight hours than what we're going to see tomorrow morning. Jump ahead to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning now. I think we're going to be dealing with some isolated showers, particularly in the eastern part of the state. The farther west you live, the more likely that you're going to have a dry morning commute tomorrow. And once again, I think it's mainly the morning hours that are probably our best opportunity at rain. I think most of tomorrow is going to be dry. There's noon, not much showing up, most of us dry. There's 4 o'clock, again, a possibility of a few showers, but not much, more likely that you're going to be dry. And right now, the evening hour is still looking good. Here's 8 o'clock Friday evening, so any Friday night dinner plans? Again, can't rule out a stray shower, but it looks like most of us still are going to be dry. But look at the rain off to the west. So the story for Friday night is the later you're going to be out, the more likely it is that you're going to encounter rain. Because look what happens when we jump ahead to midnight. A lot of folks seeing rain from Chippewa Falls all the way down to Racine, Kenosha. And this will probably be mostly showers, but I'm not going to rule out a few weak thunderstorms being around as well. Pretty late Friday night. No severe storms. But a couple of thunderstorms can't be ruled out.